Hey there, how are you all doing? I hope you're fine. So, in this session, I have brought you 2025 polity questions previous year. Also, the correct strategy, the correct source, most important questions, most repeated pattern, and everything you need to have for this examination. December 6, 2025 prelims. इसके बाद you need not to have anything apart from this. आपका सिलेबस कंप्लीट, एवरीथिंग कंप्लीट. सिंस यू हैव ओनली 4 months लेफ्ट, इतना टाइम नहीं है हमारे पास कि आप पूरा सिलेबस कंप्लीट करेंगे. यू नीड टू हैव अ थॉरो स्ट्रैटेजी and I shall provide you with the same. Also, if you have not watched our previous video in which we had discussed about 2025 most important, most expected history questions, please go and watch that first. Okay, let us begin with this one now. Question number 1, with reference to the creation of new All India Service, which of the following statements are correct? So, All India Service. In the national interest of Rajya Sabha can pass a resolution for creation of new All India Service. Okay. The resolution for creation of new All India Service must be passed by the Rajya Sabha by 2/3 majority of total members of the House. Okay, so first of all, statement number 1 is correct. Yes, Rajya Sabha can pass a resolution for creation of new All India Services. They may have a twist in this question for this examination. They may ask you if it is Lok Sabha. So remember, this is not Lok Sabha, this is Rajya Sabha, which can pass a resolution for the same. Now coming to the next one, we have 2/3 majority, C. This is a well noted point because this is not exactly 2/3 majority. It is not less than 2/3 of majority. So please remember, मोस्टली लोग 2/3 मेजोरिटी देखते हैं और उसको करेक्ट बोल देते हैं. वो इन मेन चीजों का ध्यान नहीं रखते हैं. सो प्लीज notice all the minor things that are important for examination. However, option number A is correct, option number B is incorrect. So only option A is the correct answer. Coming to the next one, we have match the following list and number of seats in Rajya Sabha. So we have Maharashtra. It should have maximum number of seats in Rajya Sabha, that is 19. Then we have Tamil Nadu, 18. Then Bihar, 16. And finally Karnataka, 12, the least. Also, comment down below number of seats in UP. Next one, which of the following subject not correctly matched? Okay. So we have part 4A, fundamental duties. It is correct. Part 6, the states. Correct again. Now part 11, municipalities. No, actually it is not. They have given you a mirror image. This should be part 9 instead, not part 11. So basically, fundamental duties of part 4A important. We know in part 3, we have fundamental rights. In part 4, we have DPSPs, directive principles of state policies. And part 4A, we have fundamental duties. Please do not get confused in these two, part 3 and 4A, because many of people get confused in fundamental rights and duties. Okay. Then part 6 is correct, states. Part 9 belongs to municipalities. Now what about part 11, जो उन्होंने आपको already दे रखा है. So remember, part 11 actually deals with relations between union and the states. Okay, so option number 1 and 2 correct, 3 is not correct. Okay, let us come to the next one. Consider the formation of following states of India and arrange them in correct chronological order. You may know what sort of importance chronology needs. It is extremely important. वो history में भी important था. It is important in polity section as well. Okay, so we have Punjab, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland and Sikkim. Okay, So when we talk about Punjab, we know in 1966, the formation of Punjab was in 1966. It was recognized under very infamous Shah Commission. Under Punjab Reorganization Act. So remember, you need not to have only chronological order. Apart from this, you need to learn Commission, Organization Acts, year, etc., etc. Okay. Then we have Arunachal Pradesh in 1987. Then we have Nagaland in 1963. And final one, Sikkim, we have 1975. Under the 36th Amendment Act. Moving forward, we have with reference to municipalities. See, municipality is important. अभी हमने देखा था, इससे पहले भी क्वेश्चन आया था और फिर से आ रहा है. Which of the following statements is correct? The eligible age to be a member of municipality is 25 years? No, it is not, because it is 21 years. So statement 1 is wrong. Statement 2, 1/3 of the total number of states to be filled by direct election in the municipalities is reserved for women. Yes, it is. 1/3 of seats reserved for women. So option number A is incorrect. Option number B is correct. Now coming forward, we have question number 6 with the reference to Public Accounts Committee. Which of the following statements are correct? Public Accounts Committee submits its report to Lok Sabha. Second one, Public Accounts Committee consists of 15 members from Rajya Sabha. Okay, so we have now, first of all, this is correct because PAC definitely submits its report to Lok Sabha. Now, what kind of twist you may expect in your examination? They may ask you if it is whether it is Rajya Sabha or not. So remember, it is not Rajya Sabha, it is Lok Sabha. Then Public Accounts Committee consists of 15 members from Rajya Sabha. No, it does not. Why? Because from Rajya Sabha, total it has 22 members. Out of 22, 7 from Rajya Sabha and another 15 from Lok Sabha. In majority from Lok Sabha, क्योंकि उसको अपनी रिपोर्ट भी लोक सभा को ही सबमिट करनी पड़ती है. Next one we have, given below assertion and reason, we have public interest litigation in India is essential for the rule of law. Public interest litigation provides effective access of justice to socially and economically weaker sections. Okay, so first of all, what is PIL? Extremely important, one of the most famous, one of the most favorite topics of UPSC or UPPSC. You must go with the same. So PIL is definitely, if there is any weaker section, like socially, economically, in any way, वो खुद अपना केस फाइल नहीं कर सकता है, तो on behalf of them, any person, anybody can file a case, even file a FIR. Okay, that means आप पब्लिक के इंटरेस्ट में अपना फर्ज निभा रहे हैं और वो काम कर रहे हैं. दैट मीन्स पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट लिटिगेशन फॉर द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ पीपल, ये सोशली और इकोनॉमिकली वीकर सेक्शंस के लिए होता है. दैट मीन्स ए इज ट्रू, आर इज ट्रू, एंड ऑल्सो आर इज द करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन. Okay, now coming to the next one, we have assertion reason again. India has a parliamentary system of government. Yes, it does have. How? We have legislature, lawmaking body, we have executives which execute the laws of legislature, and then we have judiciary, the offense one, the punishable one. Okay, so we have, and also executive depends upon legislature. It is responsible to the legislature क्योंकि वो law making body है. So A is correct, reason is correct, and it is the correct explanation. Next one, according to 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act, we are talking about preamble. Again, one of the most important topics of polity. And 42nd Amendment Act. Which two were added later? So let me tell you. This Amendment Act, the 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1976, added 3 new words to the preamble. First one being socialist, second being secular, religion basis पे, and then integrity. So these 3 were added later by 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1976. However, Sovereign Republic इनिशियली भी थे, रिपब्लिक डे तो मनाया जाता है 26 जनवरी 1950. सोवरेन रिपब्लिक पहले से थे, जो बाद में ऐड हुए ये 3 थे वो. इसके अलावा अगर आप लक्ष्मीकांत पढ़ेंगे, योर रेफरेंस बुक, एक प्रीएम्बल का पूरा पेज है, वहां गो थ्रू दैट पेज, उसको कंप्लीट रिविजन कर लो, अच्छे से पढ़ लो. वो इसके अलावा कोई और भी क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं. बाय द वे, ये वाला क्वेश्चन उनके वन ऑफ द फेवरेट क्वेश्चंस में से एक है. ओके, सो नाउ कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट वन, वी हैव अ लिस्ट. लोकसभा एंड देयर स्पीकर्स इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, सो I remember the recent one is Om Birla from 17th Lok Sabha. Then we have P.A. Sangma, 11th Lok Sabha. Okay. Then G.M.C. Balayogi, the 12th one, and 14th one, Somnath Chatterjee. Okay. The next one. Who among the following were members of Fazal Ali Commission? Important again, all the commissions are important. Fazal Ali is most repeated one. Okay, so let me tell you something about Fazal Ali Commission. First of all, there was in 1953, we had a States Reorganization Commission. The States Reorganization Commission. और इसके हेड थे फजल अली, जिनके नेम पर हमने इस कमीशन का नेम रखा है. इट हैड 3 मेंबर्स. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फजल अली हिमसेल्फ, जो उसके हेड भी थे और उसके चेयरपर्सन भी थे. देन अनदर 2, इट वाज के.एम. पानिकर एंड H.N. Kunzuru. So K.M. Panikar, H.N. Kunzuru, option number 2 and 4 are correct, while K.T. Shan, Sita Ramaya were not there. Okay, moving forward, we have committees of Constituent Assembly and chairman of committees. Okay, since the very infamous one in the history of polity, we have drafting committee, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Then Union Constitution Committee, Jawaharlal Nehru ji, our first PM. Then rules of procedure, our first president, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. And finally, J.B. Kriplani from Fundamental Rights Subcommittee. Next one. Okay, also, B.R. Ambedkar is quite important. You should know everything about him. They often ask questions related to him. Next one, we have reference to Panchayati Raj. Do you remember? हमने municipality से question expect किया था. We had it. और अब Panchayati Raj. So, let me know in the comment section below, Panchayati Raj किस part में आता है? Okay. Coming to the topic, tenure of Panchayati Raj. Tenure means we know it is term. Institutions shall be of 5 years. Yes, it is correct one. Option number 1 is correct. In Panchayati Raj institutions, out of the seats reserved, 1/4 of the seats should be reserved for women belonging to scheduled or scheduled tribes. You must know, when we talk about reservation, it is more often 1/3. Only in exceptional cases, it may be 1/4, लेकिन majority में वो 1/3 होता है हमेशा. That means option number 2 is incorrect. Only 1 is correct. Coming to the next one, we have a question related to financial committee. See, we have many trials. Like, how can we deal with the question even if we do not know the answer? Okay, we have many techniques like elimination technique, hit and trial method. So you may have anything, जो भी आपको सूट करता है. कुछ भी ऑप्ट कीजिए, बस आपका आंसर ठीक होना चाहिए. Now, how would I deal with this question? अगर मुझे नहीं पता है. See, this is a very basic question. Public Accounts Committee, we are talking about accounts, and accounts are related to financial thing. That means yes, option number 1 is correct. Number 2, we have estimate committee. Obviously, an estimation around budget and all, that means it also belongs to financial committee. Both are correct. Now we are left with option number 3, committee on public undertakings. Obviously, public से जो हम पैसे लेते हैं या उनसे जो revenue मिलता है, जो taxes वो pay करते हैं, these are all related to financial things. Hence, all 3 are correct. Option number 1, option number 2, and option number 3, all correct. Okay, coming to the next one, we have assertion reason. Again, the third, or I think the fourth one. From assertion and reason, we have the concept of national integration involves political, economic, social, cultural, and psychological dimensions and interrelation between them. Option number 2, which is a reason, the National Integration Council was constituted in 1961 on the principle of unity in diversity. Okay. So when we are talking about this one, we should know both are correct. This one is correct, this one is correct. We only needed to have an eye on this one. It is 1961, it is correct. अगर वो कुछ changes लाते तो 1961 में करते, कुछ changes लाते तो इस principle में करते. I checked both of these terms, correct, hence option A correct, reason correct. Now the thing is, क्या reason correct explanation है assertion का? No. A is correct, R is correct, but R is not the correct explanation for the same. Just remember this one. Okay, also note down one important thing when we talked about this one. No, we talked about committees and all. Please note one thing when we talked about that 1/3 and all something. It was in Article 243D, second part. Sometimes they may ask articles also. And for tenure, it was in Article 243E. So articles are important. Hence note it down. Okay. Chalo. Next one. Languages. See, they are talking about 8th schedule. वो 8th schedule के अलावा भी schedule की बात कर सकते हैं, like 10th schedule, 11th schedule, etc. So please, I will provide you with a list of these things, most important subtopics. इसके अलावा आपको कुछ भी पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. अगर आपके पास टाइम होता तो आप अच्छे खासे ड्यूरेशन में लक्ष्मीकांत एंड पूरे एनसीईआरटी पढ़ सकते थे. सिंस यू डू नॉट हैव सफिशिएंट टाइम, जितना बताया है उतना करो, एक स्ट्रेटेजी बनाओ एंड यू आर डन. चलो, नेपाली, डोगरी, बोडो, भोजपुरी. We know in the 8th schedule which is not included. Pay attention to this term, not. So Nepali, Dogri, Bodo, all 3 are included. Bhojpuri is not. Hence, option number 4 answer. Next one we have, see, they are talking about schedule now. 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th. I have already arranged them in the correct order. We have for 7th schedule, union, state and concurrent list. We have 8th schedule, languages. Apart from this, please know some examples from these. कभी कभी वो आपसे एग्जाम्पल्स पूछते हैं, ये किस में आता है, वो किस में आता है. तो लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, पुलिस किस लिस्ट में आती है आउट ऑफ दीज 3. नाउ फॉर 9th schedule we have validation. 10th schedule, disqualification on the ground of defection. This is one of the most prominent one from Indian polity. Okay, with reference to Vice President of India, see, President important, Vice President important, PM important, CM important and Governor important. ये सब आपने 100% कवर करके रखना है. वो किसी से भी आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे 100% for sure. Okay, so the Vice President is the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha. ये मोस्ट रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन है पूरी इंडियन पॉलिटी का, हमेशा पूछते हैं, द पर्सनल फेवरेट. सो प्लीज नो दिस इज करेक्ट वन एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एज वेल. नाउ वाइस प्रेसिडेंट इज अ मेंबर ऑफ राज्यसभा. इज ही? नो, ही इज नॉट. व्हाई? बिकॉज वाइस प्रेसिडेंट बिलोंग्स टू नन ऑफ दीज. Either of the two houses do not belong to vice president. वो किसी भी हाउस को बिलोंग नहीं करते, ना राज्यसभा ना लोकसभा. Okay, so option number A is correct. Next one we have, consider the following election reforms in India, arrange them in the correct chronological order. Okay, we have voters photo identity card, EVM, VVPAT and NOTA. Okay, so first of all we should know initially it was EVM. थोड़ा सा भी आपने हिस्ट्री पढ़ी होगी पॉलिटी की तो you should know. And EVM ने रिप्लेस किया था किसको? बलॉट पेपर्स को. बलॉट पेपर्स वर फिजिकल पेपर्स, तो बहुत सारे चांसेस थे करप्शन एंड चीटिंग के, तो दे हैड अ रिफॉर्म और उन्होंने इसको चेंज किया, ईवीएम से रिप्लेस कर दिया. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वोटिंग मशीन, अब हमारे पास वो करप्शन बैलेट पेपर के थ्रू जो होता था वो नहीं होता. ओके, उसके बाद ऑब्वियसली आईडी कार्ड्स एंड देन वीवीपीएटी. वीवीपीएटी इज इंपॉर्टेंट and note none of the above. Okay, so I'm a bit confused in between these two. Please check it once. Okay, the next one we have with reference to the joint sitting of the parliament. See, parliament important. इससे पहले भी एक क्वेश्चन आया था हमारे पास पार्लियामेंट का. This is the another one from the same thing. Article number 109 of the Constitution of India provides for the joint sitting of parliament. Everything is correct except for one thing. This article. This is not 109. This is 108. See, there is a difference of one number only. और उन्होंने ये ट्रिक किया आपके साथ. So please pay attention to the numbers. The next one is a joint sitting of parliament may be there called to pass a constitutional amendment bill. Okay. So one is incorrect we know क्योंकि वो 108 था. ये भी incorrect है. Why? Because a constitutional amendment bill under Article 368. Please know this article. Article 368 must be passed by each house separately. By special majority. Okay. Now the last one. Given below assertion and reason, the fourth or fifth question from assertion reason section. Okay, we have DPSPs, Directive Principles of State Policy, important for economic, social and political functions. Yes, it is true. Core objectives is to establish economic and social democracy. Correct. And is it the correct explanation of the same? Obviously, yes it is. Okay. So please let me know in the comment section below, DPSPs belong to which part? I've already told you, by the way. Okay. That is it, and we have some important topics. Please go with the same. Apart from this, do not worry about it all, क्योंकि मैं आपको important subtopics, exact source and everything provide करूंगी in the next video. और इसके अलावा आपको कुछ भी पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. The only thing is revision is the key. Please revise the concepts. इधर उधर कोई भी random video, कोई भी random source इस time मत उठाओ, वो आपको हमेशा help, कभी भी help नहीं करेंगे. In fact, सिर्फ एक source, please stick to that source and revise properly. Stay consistent. That is the key to success. Okay, that is all for today. Thank you so much. We shall meet in the next class. And we'll have a very essential topic for the next class. Thank you so much. Take care.